Hello everyone, welcome to the Nick Tech Show, and today I'm actually going to do yet another unboxing. And today the unboxing is actually going to be on the Nobelbird gaming laptop cooler. So this is going to be one of those cooler pads that you will use to keep your laptop from overheating or getting hot. They was nice enough to send this for me to review, so yeah, let's get started. So on the front of the box you don't really get anything, but when you flip it on the side you do get the specs and everything, and you're looking at a one that has 5 fans, so you will be able to it has enough fans. Not really sure if it's really going to help much or so. But you do have a 140 millimeter fan and 4 80 millimeter fans. So that should be good. And you do get a USB hub, a USB 2 hub that you can use on it. I did use one of these before, and the hub was really kind of pointless to use. So I'm curious to see if this one has the same design as it. So you would necessarily, for a person that does that's been in the IT era for a long time, I have never really used these because I've never had the need to use one of these. But if you're in like an area that's like low ventilation, or a room that has low ventilation, or it's just hot all the time, or if you're in a area of the country that heat is a big issue, then you might need to pick one of these up. But I've never actually had a use for these. But I also primarily use either a Surface or a desktop mostly. So on the front of the package, you do get the user manual, and you are supposed to get a USB cable. I forgot about this one. This one is a little bit unique. So on the front of it, you can see the this is a metal bracket that you can lay your laptop on, and then you can see the 5 fans on both sides and the bigger fan in the middle. And then on the back, this is where it is a little bit unique. On the back, you do get a braided USB cable. One's going to be for the fans, and one's going to be for the USB hub. So that is unique. This is actually a little bit different design than the one I've had before, so that's really nice. And you can see the fans even more. This does bracket up, where you can have it more lifted, like with the feet. So you have it like this, or you can have it like this with even the bigger feet that can do that, and adjust it this way. So that is kind of unique that they offered that. Offered a lot of different methods to mounting it the way that you want it. That is unique. One of the first times I've actually seen a cheaper one of these do that. Overall, it does feel cheap. For $25 this is. It does feel a little bit cheap. Like the plastic is that cheap plastic that you can tell is not really secure, but it works. That's really all about it. The one nice thing that they did brag about this on their Amazon page, if you go to their Amazon page, is that it is the braided cable. The USB cables are braided, and they give you cable management, which is nice. I do like that they give you cable management. And then on the side you get your 2 USB ports, and then the controllers for the fans to speed them up or slow them down. So that is really nice to see. And then you can, I'm pretty sure, maybe turn some off. Like you can either turn the 4 off or the 1 off. But overall, I would be interested to see how well this does work. It's going to be maybe an interesting review. I might actually use one of my laptops to use this and show you the temperatures without it and with it. But yeah, overall, if you're interested in picking one of these up, I will leave a link down below where you can. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.